Okay, there it sits, idling very nicely. It's got a good sound to it, I have to say. Move it up. Sounds pretty good. You have good oil flow in here. The oil pipe over here pretty good. Okay, I'm going to shut her down and call her good. All right, let's turn that noisy fan off. All right, it seems to be in pretty good shape. We'd had an oil leak that kept cropping up when I let the bike sit after running. Turned out to be the oil seal in the chain sprocket access door inside the primary. I pulled it out. I mean, it looked good. It was brand new a few months ago. But I pulled it out and it had split. Don't know why, but it had. So, anyway, I replaced that. And seems to be tight. I'm going to let it sit for about 15 minutes or so. And then call it good.